Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hey, it's Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to wish someone a happy birthday. First, let's listen to some conversations.
小青，祝你生日快乐！
谢谢。
这是我送给你的礼物，一个运动手表，希望你喜欢。
太好了，我早就想要一个运动手表了。谢谢你。
不客气。小青，我今天只能待1个小时，因为我3点有钢琴课。
哦，我真希望你能待久一点。那我们赶快去吃东西吧。你想吃披萨还是炸鸡？
炸鸡。
你想喝什么？
可乐或是芬达都可以，谢谢。小青，祝你生日快乐！
谢谢。
这是我送给你的礼物，一个运动手表，希望你喜欢。
太好了，我早就想要一个运动手表了。谢谢你。
不客气。小青，我今天只能待1个小时，因为我3点有钢琴课。
哦，我真希望你能待久一点。那我们赶快去吃东西吧。你想吃披萨还是炸鸡？
炸鸡。
你想喝什么？
可乐或是芬达都可以，谢谢。
Vocabulary. 祝 to wish. For example, 祝你生日快乐 literally wish you birthday happy. Happy birthday to you. 祝你身体健康 literally wish you body healthy. Wish you good health. 快乐 happy or happiness. For example, 她每天都很快乐 literally, she every day or very happy. She is happy every day. 我想当一个快乐的人 I want to be a happy person. 礼物 gift. For example, 姐姐送给我一个礼物 My older sister gave me a gift. 这是我送给你的礼物 Literally, this is I give to you's gift. This is my gift to you. 手表 wristwatch. For example, 我的朋友送给我一个运动手表 My friend gave me a sports watch. 我不喜欢戴手表 I don't like wearing watches. Using 早 to express the idea of early or a long time ago. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus 早 plus 就 plus situation. Here, 就 can be skipped. You probably remember this 就 from our previous lesson. 就 is there to emphasize the earliness. For example, 我早就知道了 I knew it a long time ago. You can also say 我早知道了 but the first one has much more emphasis on the earliness. More examples. 我早就想要一个运动手表了 I've wanted a sports watch for a long time. 他们早就分手了 They broke up long ago. We have quite a few different usages of this word 早 so far. Let's have a summary of it. The first one, morning is used for greetings. For example, 早 or 早上好 that's morning or good morning. The second one, it's used in breakfast. 早饭 It literally means early food, breakfast. The third one, early. For example, 我想早一点吃饭 I want to eat a bit early. The last one, a long time ago. For example, 我早就知道了 I knew it a long time ago. Using 只 to express the idea of only. For example, 我只有2块钱 I only have $2. 她只能待1个小时 She can only stay for 1 hour. More examples. 我只有一个姐姐 I only have one older sister. 她只想吃炸鸡 She only wants to eat fried chicken. This word 只 has 2 pronunciations. The first one is 只 It's a measure word. For example, 一只狗 a dog. The second one is 只 It means only. For example, 我只能待1个小时 I can only stay for 1 hour. 钢琴 piano. For example, 我不会弹钢琴 I don't know how to play piano. 她不喜欢弹钢琴 She doesn't like playing piano. 课 class or lesson. For example, 今天下午我有中文课 I have a Chinese lesson this afternoon. 明天我有钢琴课 I have a piano lesson tomorrow. 赶快 hurry up or quickly. For example, 赶快去洗澡 Go take a shower quickly. 我们赶快去吃东西 Let's go eat quickly. Now it's time for a culture tip. Do you know that in China, it's a major taboo to give a clock as a gift to someone? Under no circumstances should you give a clock as a gift to someone. That is because the pronunciation of giving a clock, which is 送钟, is the same as farewell at a funeral. But wristwatches are totally fine because watch is pronounced as 手表. It's nothing to do with that funeral thing. It is clocks that you should be very careful. That includes all kinds of clocks, wall clocks, grandfather clocks, alarm clocks, etc. Understanding those cultural differences may help you avoid very awkward situations when giving someone a gift. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!